This month for swing crawl knee, we're just working on a single arm rotation. So you can see here I'm rotating around, maintaining the grip, going right round, full range of motion, pivoting on the ground, come around the other side into that one arm pull up position, and then changing sides. So going right round into the back lever position, or here doing the pull, and then round into that back lever position and pulling up. So it is quite heavy on the connective tissue and the muscles of the shoulder girdle. So you want to develop it properly. But having a feet on the ground is great, so you can get a feel for it and just gradually improve the range of motion and the intensity. So here I'm doing the inchworm, so you can see the spinal waves going down. So I'm pulling along with my cranium and the waves going down and then lifting that pelvis up. And then I do the reverse. So now I'm going to push with the cranium and the wave goes up to the sacrum. And you see that wave move along, just like an inchworm. So it's really good for your spine, neck, all the way through, lower back, and just to get that awareness, get that nice control. So you leave the feet anchored and then go all the way out, all the way back in 30 seconds. Then just doing a split sissy, 15 seconds aside, leaning as far back as you can, really getting that nice strengthening through the patella tendon, the quad, through the anterior core. Most of the weight shifting into that back leg, trying to get as far back as you can. Don't need to go too far, it's still pretty hard. And then from here, doing the posterior chain with the windmill, and then driving the butt back, so it's working there, and then a bit of rotation as well, but nice hamstring loading and posterior chain loading, but with an isometric spine and leg, but getting that hinge in the hip. So work on that. If you've got any questions, film it, send it back to me, and get to work. It's a nice 6 minutes, 3 rounds of that. Good fun. See you soon, guys.